A very good morning to all of you. Welcome back to your computer class. So, my dear students, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 6, more about Scratch. Please open your computer book and open page number 62. This is your page number 62. Please open it and you can see the chapter number 6 is more about Scratch. So, it is a very interesting chapter. Today we will learn what is Scratch, how it works, what are the features of Scratch, what are the components, how you can make different games, animation using the Scratch, right? So let us begin. Introduction to Scratch. Scratch is a computer programming language that lets you create your own interactive stories, animations, games, music and art. Scratch is easy to learn and use. It provides an interactive environment to create programs by dragging blocks of code. Starting Scratch. How you can start Scratch? Let us learn. To start Scratch, follow these given steps. Click on the Start button. You can see. Choose All Programs option. Click on Scratch 2. Scratch window opens up. Now on page 62 we will understand the features of Scratch. Let us discuss features of Scratch. Number 1, Scratch is available free of cost. Yes, Scratch application can be easily downloaded from the internet without paying any cost, right? Then number 2, it is easy to understand and learn. Number 3, it increases students' interest in programming by providing graphical environment, because there are sprites, there are cartoons available in this application that increases students' interest in programming. Then comes the fourth one. Instead of writing text or codes, predefined blocks are snapped together to create the script. Yes, there is no need to write text or codes. Blocks are there. I will show you. And these blocks are help to make the program. It is very easy. Then the last one, fifth point is, it allows playful experimenting with program segments. Yes, students can play and learn by using the Scratch application. So these were the features of Scratch. Components of Scratch. Sprite. Sprite is a small graphic character that perform actions in a Scratch project. Scratch provides a number of inbuilt sprites. Cat is the default sprite in Scratch. Next is stage. It is the main working area where the sprite moves and perform actions as per the given instructions. Here you can watch stories, play games and run Scratch projects that you have created. It is divided into X, Y coordinates. The value of both the coordinates are displayed at the bottom right corner of the stage. These coordinates indicate the position of the sprite on the stage. Next is sprite list on page 63. It displays the thumbnail of all the sprites used in a project. Now, my dear students, on page number 63, there is fact file. At the top, please see. Know the fact. Scratch is developed by the Lifelong Kindergarten Group at the MIT Massachusetts Institute of Technology Media Lab, led by Michelle Resnick in 2003. Blocks palette. Blocks palette contains the set of blocks which are used to program the sprite and give actions to it. Each block performs specific tasks in a project. It is used to create scripts in Scratch. The blocks connect to each other just like jigsaw puzzle. Know the fact? The official website of Scratch is www.scratch.mit.edu. Script. Script is collection of stepwise instructions that are given to a sprite to do a specific task. A script consists of at least 2 blocks. Scripts area. Scripts area is the place where you create script for a sprite to do a particular task. The script is created by dragging the instructions from the blocks palette and dropping them stepwise on the top of each other. Script is also called program. Sprite info pane. Click on the icon present on the top left corner of sprite thumbnail to display the sprite info pane. It includes information about the selected sprite as well as a few tools manipulating the sprite. The tools include circular arrow, linear arrow, disable rotation, presentation mode. Presentation mode or view full screen mode button is located at the top left corner of the stage. Click on the button to view the presentation of your project in full screen mode. Cursor tools. Cursor tools are located at the top of Scratch window. It provides 4 tools to perform different operations on sprites. Duplicate. This option creates a duplicate copy of the selected sprite. Delete. Clicking this option will delete the selected sprite. Grow. As the name suggests, this option helps us to increase the size of sprite. Shrink. This option helps to decrease the size of sprite. New sprite buttons. The new sprite buttons are placed at the bottom right corner of the stage. These buttons provide different ways to create a new sprite, import and use the available sprites. Let us discuss each one of these. Number 1. Choose sprite from library. Scratch contains many exciting inbuilt sprite options. Click on this button will open on sprite library dialog box which gives you multiple options of sprites as you can see. Second is paint new sprite. Clicking on this button will open the costume window. You can see here where you can create or draw new sprite. Third, upload sprite from file. Clicking on this button will open the selected files to upload by app scratch.swf dialog box that offers the facility to choose sprite from the file stored in your computer. Fourth, new sprite from camera. This option opens the web camera of your system provided your system is equipped with it. Now on page 65 you can see the next topic, working with 2 sprites. Let us understand this. Working with 2 sprites. Open the Scratch window. Remove the cat sprite by right clicking on it and select the delete option. You can say I have deleted it. Click on choose new sprite from file button here. Select the ballerina A sprite from the people folder in the new sprite dialog box. Now select the costume tab here and click on the import button to add ballerina B, ballerina C and ballerina D costume under the ballerina sprite costume list. Now I am adding ballerina D. Select the ballerina A costume and adjust its position on the stage. You can see I am dragging it. Again select choose new sprite from file button and add boy for laughing sprite from the people folder on the stage here. From the costume tab, import the boy for shrugging sprite and add it under the boy for laughing sprite. Here you can see. Select the ballerina A and boy for laughing sprite from their costume list respectively. Drag them on the stage and start creating the block stack step by step in script area. Create script for both the sprites separately. It is given on page number 66, what I am creating now. Click on the green flag button and observe 2 sprites talking to each other.